Born into privilege in 1820, Florence Nightingale defied societal norms to pursue a calling in nursing. As a young woman, she studied medical science and traveled to war-torn Scutari during the Crimean War. There she became known as the Lady with the Lamp, tending to the wounded in the dark. After the war, she led public health reforms and founded the first modern nursing school. In her later years, she was celebrated as a symbol of care, resilience, and transformation. 229 years ago in rural England, Edward Jenner noticed that milkmaids rarely caught smallpox. Driven by curiosity, in 1796 he took a bold step, infecting a boy with cowpox. Weeks later, he exposed the child to smallpox. The boy remained healthy. Jenner shared his findings with skeptical scientists, sparking a medical revolution. His experiment laid the foundation for global vaccination, saving countless lives. Justinian rose from humble origins to become emperor in 527 AD. His reign marked a golden era of Byzantine ambition. With the brilliant general Belisarius, he led campaigns to reclaim former Roman territories. Justinian's dream materialized in the magnificent Hagia Sophia, a marvel of architecture and faith. He revolutionized law by compiling the Corpus Juris Civilis, influencing legal systems for centuries. Amidst triumph came tragedy. A deadly plague ravaged Constantinople, yet Justinian endured. His legacy still echoes through the ages.